Hi everyone, are you ready for some fun English speaking and reading activities? Let's get started. The first one is show and tell. The children can bring their own objects from home. It can be any toy or anything of their choice that they really like, and they can say a few lines about that object. Or what you can do is you can also keep some things in your classroom or in your tuition center where you are conducting these classes. You can have a basket full of things and children can choose from it. Now for children who are too young and they don't know what they can say, just use phrases for them. Suppose there's a ball and you ask the child to say what color the ball is and what is the shape of the ball, or what do you play with it. Do you like to bounce it? Do you like to play catch? So these are some of the words that they can use while they are telling you about their favorite object. And for older children, they can use big words, they can use proper sentences. That's a very good way. Try it out. Second activity is story circle. Each child can say one sentence, a full sentence, to tell what they want to add in their story. This will build imagination and construct a beautiful story which belongs to their class. So you can also record this session, and then later you can jot down the sentences, what the children had said, and give a printout to the children so that they can read it to their parents at home. It is real fun and they feel really proud of writing their own story. The third activity for English speaking and reading is word scavenger hunt. I love it. So you can hide flashcards in a room or in a garden area or the play area. Now you can do this with any age group. For younger age group, I always suggest that it's good to have pictures on the flashcards and hide them around where they can find it. And for older children, you can write words, and when they bring it to you after they finish their hunt, whoever brings it first, and if they need a bonus point, they have to use the word in a sentence. So they'll say a sentence to you and you have to give them a bonus point. It's so much fun. Try it. Next on the list is read aloud sessions. Here, as an educator, you're going to model how to read a paragraph. You have to use expressions and voice intonation. Your children will copy you. They will read. After you've finished demonstrating it, children will read it out too. So try this out, it really helps. It's a great describing practice. Next one is my favorite, puppet talk. It's amazing. You either make puppets with paper or the ice cream sticks. You can also, there are a lot of puppets available in the market as well. So this puppet talk activity really helps to engage children, make friends, and it also helps them to start talking. There are some children who take time to talk. There could be different reasons, but this activity works for all the children. It doesn't matter at all. So you can start engaging them in simple conversations, starting with greetings, asking questions, and also introducing new vocabulary word of the day. Try it out. Number 5 on my list is picture talk. So you can show them a scene of a park or an airport or a dentist clinic or a waiting area in the hospital, or picture of a playground in the school, or a teacher giving instructions, anything. So a kind of a setting where there are lots of things happening in one picture. And then ask them questions. What do you see? What are they doing? This will help them to identify with daily life and also understand how to say things if they are too young. For the older children, you can still do this activity, but take up a different scene and introduce new vocabulary words in the scene. Drama, acting, theater. What is all this? It helps to build expressions. So, why don't you try dialogue drama? Pick up a story, a few lines, or for that matter, you can also pick a movie, a children's movie, and pick a few dialogues from it and let them act it out, let them use those dialogues. It's fun. You can give it to them. If you're planning on doing all these activities in the vacation, you can give the dialogues to them. They can memorize it and then they can perform. It's real fun. Bingo card activity is amazing. You can make these cards at home for different levels and do this activity. It's fun, exciting, and children read out the word aloud when they have to strike it. Last but not the least, this is a different one. It just happened naturally in my class. So, a book cafe. So, set up a table, make a setup of a book cafe, and let children come and read a few pages or just one page or a paragraph, or have them their own favorite book. They can bring it from home and read it out to a customer who is visiting the book cafe. And why do they recommend this book? Why should others read this book? They can give a few reasons. Now, this can be played like a scenario, or it can be like you set up the book cafe in front of the class that will have the books that children bring from home. They can come one by one, just read a few of their favorite lines and tell the class why they should read this book. This is real fun and children feel like they own something, the reasons, and they're giving something to their friends, their opinion. So, which is amazing. It builds confidence and obviously fluency too. So try these English speaking and reading activities this vacation at your home and tell me how did you find it. If you have more ideas, please do share. This is a community where we can share the ideas and get benefited. Thank you. Bye-bye.